what we have to do only is that scan. You can see it below on the link, or maybe you will see if you go on my Facebook or go on my social media, there will be a post which has a QR code. You can scan. You have to scan it with your mobile phone on the camera. It will take you to the link, and only raise the objection that you reject this Waqf Board Amendment Bill. Even if 5 million, hardly 2.5% of the Muslim of India object, this bill will be stopped. But we don't want that. We want at least 10% of the Muslim Ummah to object it, to reject this amendment bill. And I hope that my dear Muslim brothers and sisters of India, they will see to it that they don't sleep this time. We should be active. Otherwise, our next generation would blame us that this waqf was given by our forefathers, most of it, hundreds of years back, tens of years back. Majority is coming since down the ages. And it is for the benefit of the Ummah.